You need to hear this, especially if you wake up feeling stiff, sluggish, and just not quite ready to face the day. This simple 2-minute routine will completely transform your mornings forever. It's a game changer. Let's get moving and start the day right. Stretching first thing in the morning does wonders, truly, for your mood, your muscles, and your overall focus. We're diving into 10 simple stretches. Hold each for about 10 seconds, focusing on your breath, and feel that energy spike. First up, neck rolls. Gently circle your head, nice and slow, loosening up any built-up tension. Next, shoulder shrugs. Bring those shoulders all the way up to your ears and then just let them drop with a sigh. Third, arm circles big and wide, really waking up your entire upper body. Fourth, side reaches. Stretch both arms overhead, reaching for the sky, and lean gently from side to side. Fifth, standing forward, fold, drop down. Let your head hang heavy, and feel that amazing stretch along your entire back. Sixth, clasp your hands firmly behind your back and open your chest. Hello, improved posture. Seventh, cat-cow stretch. On all fours, gently arch and then round your spine, flowing with your breath. Eighth, downward dog. Hips up high, heels reaching down, really stretch out those legs and back. Ninth, low lunge. Step forward into a lunge and sink your hips gently, switching sides about halfway through. Finally, 10th, standing quad stretch. Grab your foot, gently pulling, and feel that front thigh release and open up. Boom. In less time than it takes to mindlessly scroll through your phone, your body is now wide awake and ready. Do this quick routine every single morning and notice the incredible difference in your mood, your energy levels, and your overall flexibility. Like and subscribe if your body already feels significantly better. See you tomorrow for more.